£38,000 for a compact hybrid SUV with a panoramic glass roof, wireless charging, and a premium 10-speaker sound system. That's the part nobody saw coming. Most people think Honda fell off. They picture boring, reliable boxes on wheels. But this HR-V Advanced Style Plus does something wild. It looks like a 50,000-pound coupe that someone accidentally lifted off the ground. Here's the thing. The hidden rear door handles make it look like a two-door. The sloping roofline screams sports car. But open those invisible back doors and you get more rear legroom than cars twice the price. This is where Honda's engineers got weird. They moved the fuel tank under the front seats. Sounds boring until you realize what that unlocks. The rear seats fold completely flat. Not mostly flat, actually flat. Then the seat bases flip up like cinema seats. You can stand a bike upright in the back. A full-size television. A houseplant taller than your passenger. No other SUV in this class can do that. But here's where it gets interesting. 1.5-liter petrol engine. 2 electric motors. 131 horsepower combined. 0 to 60 in 9.2 seconds. That sounds slow on paper. It's not. The electric motor hits first. Instant torque. You feel shoved from behind. Then the petrol engine joins in so smoothly you don't notice the switch, unless you floor it. Then it gets loud. That's the one compromise. 460 miles on a full tank, 52 miles per gallon in real-world driving. No plugging in, no charging cables, it charges itself. The cabin feels like you paid £10,000 more. Premium synthetic leather, unique stitching pattern, heated steering wheel and heated front seats as standard. That panoramic glass roof makes the whole cabin feel twice as big. And the air conditioning is bizarre in the best way. Instead of blasting cold air at your face, it diffuses along the roof and sides. Like a gentle breeze instead of a wind tunnel. 18-inch alloy wheels, body-colored bumpers, gloss black accents everywhere. The squared front grille is brand new for 2025. Multi-view camera system, wireless phone charging, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Honda Sensing Safety Suite with adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Here's what Honda won't tell you. The boot is small, 304 liters with those premium speakers installed. A Skoda Karoq has 521 liters. But those magic seats make up for it. You're not shopping for maximum boot space anyway, you're shopping for maximum flexibility. And this thing depreciates slower than a Nissan Qashqai or Volkswagen T-Roc. So yeah, £38,000 sounds steep. Until you see what £38,000 used to get you. This is what happens when Honda stops playing it safe. Next time, we're looking at something even stranger. An electric truck that costs luxury car money but somehow makes total sense. You won't want to miss this one. Let me know in the comments if the magic seats would actually change how you use your car. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.